Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to complete together the second part of our module, which is called Cell Phone Software Repair. And today's topic, we are going to see how to identify cell phone model, status, and faults. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to identify cell phone model, status, and how to repair the common faults. And also, she will be able to identify different types of operating system models.
Firstly, when you meet someone with cell phone software problem, what you have to do is to know the cell phone operating system model, such as iPhone operating system, as you can see. And also this one is Android operating system, as you can see. And there are other type of operating system model, Symbian operating system, BlackBerry operating system, and also Windows operating system. Suppose you want to solve cell phone software problem, the first thing you have to do is to gather information from the owner. As you can see, this cell phone is a Samsung, but he forget the password. He keep using so many passwords, but is not responding. They always say incorrect PIN. What you have to do, you have to do what is called a hard reset.
For Samsung model, when you want to do a hard reset, you press the volume upper button, the home button, and finally the switch button. You press them at the same time, and then you do a hard reset. As I told you, you do a hard reset according to the cell phone model or the type of cell phone in which you are working on.
So what we have to do, we have to follow the option and the regulation given by our cell phone according to what we want to do. As you can see, why we want to remove our cell phone password in which we already forgotten, what we have to do is to reboot. As you can see, our cell phone restart again as a new one. This option is so helpful why you already forget your password, why the viruses made your phone learn slowly. This hard reset may solve that problem either. As you can see at our screen, we follow the instruction accordingly and all done, which is mean our cell phone is going to run by new from now on, as you can see at your own screen. After that, as you can see at our own screen, there is another way to solve cell phone software faults, such as when you connect our cell phone software repair box to your computer and then you access to it. As I already told you, when you went to repair cell phone software problem, while you finish to connect a cell phone repairing box to your computer, what you have to do is to open it. As you can see at your own screen, is a Samsung Tools, and after that, you have to select according to your cell phone model. As you can see at your own screen, why you went to repair or to resolve any cell phone software problem or when you want to add any other features. While you finish to select the required model of that cell phone, you have to extract the features in which you need to install into your cell phone. And while you finish to extract it, as you can see it's loading. While you're extracting it, you have to install that software required to your cell phone or replace other you already had in your cell phone in order to solve that cell phone. As you can see, while it's accomplished to be installed, your cell phone starts to work once again. While you finish to install your new operating system in your cell phone, what you have to do is to accomplish the option through your phone as a new one. As you can see at your own screen, language and all agreement accordingly. You do it slowly and professionally. I remind you to read instruction given as a professional technician to accomplish the task to repair your cell phone. As you can see now on, is working properly.
Thank you for your attention. This is the end of our session. In our next session, we will see how to install, update, and upgrade cell phone software and manage cell phone file. As we're running together, I hope you take some note and you keep doing practical exercise. See you next time. Enjoy.